Now, if you check it over here, let's say after some time the client say no, we have taken the project. He say that he want to add one more feature over here. Then developer what will do? He will write some code for this, right? And he will push to this repository, right? For this repository, whenever he push that has to be reflected on our website. So our agenda is to make one webhook. For that, what we have to do it, we have to go to the Jenkins, right? Again, we have to go for Jenkins pipeline. Let us say where is our pipeline? Let me just check it over here. I think we have just moved out at here. Let me add. Yes. Here I'll click on the website responsive. Then I'll go for configure because we have to enable something. For that use case, what you required, we require you to integrate this in GitHub trigger for GitHub source code management pooling, right? So whenever the code is changes in the GitHub, automatically their event will be triggered. So for that use case, we required some plugins that need to be installed. Okay. So for that use case, we'll go to the dashboard. Then we'll go to manage Jenkins, right? We'll go for plugins over here, right? I'll go for the available plugins. Then afterwards, I will add it webhook, right? So generic webhook, right? Whenever we are going to use it, we will add it over here, request XLT JSON. So generic webhook, I will install this and GitHub integration. Yes, I want to make this also. So just to build the trigger, right? I think we required only one plugin. So let me install this also as well. So this plugins is getting installed. Now what we will do? Yes, is done, right? So that we don't require any restart for this. So plugin is done. We have already, right, we are accessing also our website. That is fine. So now what we will do it, we will go back over here and we will configure the webhook here, right? So whatever the event is there, that has to be pushed to our server. So in this case, you have to click on the webhook. After webhook, you have to add it over here. Then it will confirm you to confirm your password. So simply what you do, you go and copy from here your path, right? Just paste it over here, server IP. Then you give it GitHub webhook, right? Slash and select JSON way. And let me check it out. Is our path is correct or no? So that should prompt us the tick mark, right? Yes, it's showing the successfully triggered, right? So how do we validate that point? Is that we'll go back over here and I will add simple readme, right? Before that, if you check it over here, you're able to find that what are the build numbers. We have 3 builds, right? So now if I add on a hello, this is CICD for website, right? So I will commit over here. So as soon as I commit over here, you're able to find that that has to be triggered. So let's check it out. If our configuration is fine, then it has to be triggered. See, it's already triggered. Fine. With a domain using Let's Encrypt support, right? Don't forget to share, subscribe with your friend and hit the bell icon so you receive all the updates of this video. Thank you very much.